Hey there, scooter enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of electric scooters with the Busbi Wasp. If you're on the lookout for an e-scooter that's both budget-friendly and performance-driven, you're in the right place. Stick around as we unpack its features, performance, and whether this affordable option is the right fit for you. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our detailed product reviews. The Busbi Wasp offers a compelling proposition if you're in need of an electric scooter that won't break the bank. It's not only visually appealing but also packs quite a punch in terms of performance. While it may have a few trade-offs due to its affordable price, let's take a closer look to see if it lives up to its promise. The Busbi Wasp might just change your perception of budget e-scooters right out of the box. Sporting an eye-catching green aluminum frame with sleek black accents, it boasts a look that can rival even higher-end models. Despite its compact size, the scooter's aesthetic is far from compromised. This one-size-fits-all model comes with a foldable design that's reasonably portable. However, at 16.5 kilograms, it might not be the lightest option, especially if you need to carry it around frequently. On the upside, the Wasp can accommodate riders up to 100 kilograms, catering to a wide range of users. Assembling the Busbi Wasp is a straightforward process, mainly involving attaching the handlebar assembly to the chassis. Be sure to follow the manual's instructions to avoid any confusion. Trust me, it'll save you some time and hassle in the long run. Exploring the Busbi Wasp reveals a solid build quality. Equipped with air-filled tires on 25cm wheels, a reliable disc brake, and a 300-watt front motor, it's ready for action. The 7.8Ah battery is concealed beneath the deck, and the handlebar controls, while simple, get the job done. Just be mindful that the display might be affected by bright sunlight. Now, let's talk performance. Despite its budget-friendly nature, the Busbi Wasp doesn't compromise on range. With a claimed range of 35 to 40 miles per charge, it's quite impressive if you manage your usage wisely. Charging takes around 4 hours, which is more than reasonable. While you might expect some trade-offs with a budget scooter, the Busbi Wasp surprises with its performance. Accelerating to the standard 15 miles per hour speed limit is smooth, thanks to its intuitive throttle control. The electronic hub braking system and rear disc brake ensure stopping is safe and effective. Plus, the rear light adds a touch of safety. All in all, the Busbi Wasp is a reliable and enjoyable electric scooter that won't break the bank. While it may not be the lightest option, it compensates with its impressive ride quality, thanks to the air-filled tires. With its budget-friendly price, it's a tempting choice for anyone seeking an everyday adventure on two wheels. And that wraps up our review of the Busbi Wasp e-scooter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow scooter enthusiasts. Be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more comprehensive product reviews and insights. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.